Audible both.
Oh, I am visible or not?
You are visible and audible both.
Both. Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you.
So
Okay.
have already started the recording.
Yes, yes.
Good, very good.
Uh,
Are you?
Very good. Yes, I am fine, and we are meeting first time, and so that
Yeah.
I want that let's start our conversation and introduction. Then,
Okay. You want my
uh,
introduction?
yeah, yeah. Who will first introduce?
As you wish.
Yeah. Okay. I introduce first. My name is Bariya Tudu, District Dumka, Jharkhand.
Okay.
And if I talk about my hobby is uh, English learning, traveling beautiful place,
Oh,
and I like English song,
oh, wait.
and yeah, and yes, my eager is uh, English learning very much.
Good.
Yes, thank you. And uh, I have done graduation, and this time I am teacher of primary school,
Oh,
and I
and
have two
teacher?
children.
Are you
Primary,
private teacher?
no, government teacher.
Very good. Good job.
Yeah, yeah, government teacher, and I have two children this time, and yeah, that is that's my hobbies. That is all.
Okay, I am glad. I am glad to hear about you. So now it's
Yeah,
my turn to introduce myself.
yeah,
Yeah, as you know that my name is Vivek Chauhan and I am from UP, district Bijnor. If I talk about my qualification, I am postgraduate in English and by profession I am also a teacher. But I am a private teacher. I am not a government teacher. The thing is that, and
yeah, yeah, yeah. Good.
basically
Yeah.
my subject is English,
Okay.
and I teach English subject in a Hindi medium school where I never get the chance to speak in English. And I am running a YouTube channel named English with Village Teacher because I am a villager. I live in a village, and by profession I am a teacher. That's why I named my YouTube channel English with Village Teacher, where I upload English conversational videos so that my subscribers and my viewers may take the advantage of my video. That's all about me.
Yeah, yeah. Good introduction. I forgot to tell you that my YouTube channel name is English with Barrier, and this time I am beginner. I start English spoken uh, 5 months ago,
Okay.
and Jharkhand is our official language is Hindi, and our school is Hindi medium school also.
Okay. Okay. Good.
So that yeah, good language, and there is I am alone, and primary school 1 to 5 class I teach to the children, and I have to manage all the children. And in this school there are uh, 53 students.
Sir, I am getting your voice not properly. I am not getting your voice properly.
And
Your voice is
yeah,
breaking up.
uh, okay. Hello. Now I said that this time I am alone in my school, and there are 53 students, 1 to 5 class.
Okay. So right
Uh,
now you are in your
yeah.
school.
Hello. Yeah. Repeat.
I said, are you in your school right now? I think you are in jungle.
Yes, yes, yes. No, no. Today is the Sunday, so that at my home there is a network issue, so that I have to go out. Then
Okay.
I talk with. I can talk with any other.
So
There
there
is
is no
the.
internet. There is no internet connection at your home.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Network.
Yeah, yeah. Internet problem at my home, so that I have to come outside. Then I
Okay.
can talk with any other person.
Good, good, very good.
Yeah.
Means you are
Okay.
passionate. It means you are so passionate to learn this language.
Okay. Repeat again.
I said it means you are so passionate to learn this language. You have to come here to talk in English.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Good, good. So what is behind you? There is like a hill. What is behind you?
Yes, yes. There is behind me a big stone, and you can see I show you views. Behind me there is trees and a big stone, and I I saw views. A small tree, not big tree,
Okay, okay, okay.
and yeah. Okay, okay, sir. I want to ask you that how did uh, you are teacher? That is
Mhm.
the very important, and I think that you are teacher of Hindi medium school,
Yes,
and
I am the teacher of Hindi
uh,
medium, but I teach
Hindi
their
medium
English
school.
subject. But I
Yeah,
teach
yeah.
their English subject.
You teach school. Which what is the name of your school? Primary or middle?
I teach in an inter college.
Enter college. Oh, good, good, good.
I teach in
Well,
9th to 12th class students.
okay, good, good. Oh, I want to ask that s- since when have you been learning English? Because
You
you
know,
are a teacher of Hindi medium school, and
you
I
know,
think that you uh, did not speak English long before. So that
yes, yes,
I think that you speak new.
yes, yes, you are right. You are right. This is not my mother tongue. This is a foreign language.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think, I think
Yes,
you
yes.
have network problem. Sometimes your voice is breaking
Yes,
up.
yes, yes. Maybe network problem. Here is the network issue because I am living village area, so that maybe network issue. Now, my voice is clear or not?
Yeah, your voice is clear, but your not picture is clear. Your picture is not
Uh,
clear.
yeah. Now,
It's okay, it's okay, no issue. You continue.
okay. Yeah, yeah. I said that it is true or
Again,
not,
again,
sir.
again, your voice is breaking up.
Hello. Uh, I said that about you that it is true or not.
Yeah, yeah, you are right. You are absolutely right. You know, I
Yeah,
started learning this language 5 or 6 months ago.
yeah, yeah. That is Sam, like me.
Oh,
Okay. Yeah. Then uh, there is uh, are you living in village or town?
I am a blazer like you.
Uh, yes, yes. Uh, you you are doing a job, this is this village or town? Where
Village,
do you teach?
village. It's a
Village.
village.
Oh, village. Yes. Okay, sir. Go ahead. Ask me some question.
Okay. So which type of steps, which type of methods do you follow to learn this language?
Okay. Yes, I method that before I watch conversation video, and
Okay.
in this video I learned that many kind of method to learn and speak English. So that I take method that first I talk myself about the I tell a story myself and I
Oh,
record in mobile,
oh,
and
very good.
after recording I listen my speech that were made mistake by me like this,
Good,
and
good.
yeah, that is my method. Yes.
So do you use this language at your home?
Yeah, I use with my children, and English speaking is the very important. I think, and purpose the English speaking is that my I have two children, and my children they studying in Hindi medium school, and I think that
In which
this
class
time
they study?
English.
In which
Uh,
class they study?
Seventh class. My daughter is studying in seventh class, and she is studying Hindi medium school, private school. And I think that in Hindi medium school, no environment for English speaking spoken, so that
Yes.
it is difficult for her. So that I think that while I will learn English, then I can teach them my children, and so that
Arey, sir,
their
I
English
think you have network
their
problem
English will
again.
be easy.
Your voice is
And
breaking up again.
I think that I was eager to know since my childhood for English speaking how I
Your
will
voice is
learn
breaking up
English
again.
like this, so that
Your voice is breaking
I
up
am
again.
learning English very late.
I think you are not getting my voice. Hello?
Okay. Yeah. Yes, I audible. Your voice is clear, but my voice, how is my voice?
Your voice
Some,
sometimes
some,
breaks up.
some.
Your voice sometimes breaks up.
Yeah. This is the uh, this is a network issue, so that it is happened sometimes.
Okay.
Okay. Yes.
So do
Yeah.
you have any other question to ask?
Yeah. I also want to you want to know you uh, this time. Uh, why do you want to know English? Because
You know, I also have two kids at my home. I mean to say
yeah,
I am the father of two kids. So I am learning this language for my own children. Are you getting?
same. Yeah.
You know, if I speak in English in front of them, then definitely they will speak this language automatically.
Yeah, right.
So
Yes,
nowadays I am
yes.
focusing on this language, and already I am the teacher of English subject. That's why I am supposed to speak in English.
Yeah. Okay. And your kid, in which class does she read,
Yeah,
study?
first one is in 10th class, and the second one is in first class.
Okay. Daughter or son?
No. One is girl and another one is boy.
Yes, my kid also. My daughter and son. And daughter is a elder, a younger as son. And
Same here.
son, yeah. Okay. Okay. If you teach to the children in English subject in your school, do you talk with the English with children,
No,
student?
never.
Why?
Because that is a Hindi medium school, not an English medium.
Okay, yes, it is the Hindi medium school, but in English period, I think that perhaps you used to for English speaking with
But
your children.
sometimes I try. Sometimes I try to speak, but they are unable to understand.
Yeah, right. Is of course in Hindi medium school the student don't understand the English speaking, and they don't speak English. So that teacher also
Sam,
something.
I'm not getting your voice properly, so I think we should end up the call. We will connect again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, then
Okay.
bye. Nice to talk to you. Have a nice day.
Yeah. Okay.